How to change phone number on Lyft drivers app. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number in Lyft app. For that, you need to first of all launch your Lyft application, and then you just have to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on settings. In the settings, you will be able to see your phone number. So you need to tap on your phone number, and then it will show you that your phone number is now verified. Now, in order to change your phone number, you just have to select your phone number and you just have to simply clear it from here. Then you just have to type the new number that you want to add, and then you just have to tap on this arrow button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, it will ask you to provide the code, or they are going to send you a 6-digit verification code on this number, which you need to provide over here. And once you have successfully verified your second number, you will be able to easily change it on Lyft drivers app. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.